Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2017 Chevrolet Colorado. This vehicle comes with a Z71 package, as well as our blacked out Chevrolet emblems and black front grille. We also have our rear privacy tint, white metallic paint, and black alloy rims, as well as four-wheel drive and our 3.6-liter V6 engine. Now moving on to the interior of the Colorado, I'll walk you through a few of the driver's features. Starting off with our door panel, you can see our chrome door handle, lock and unlock buttons, close handle, rear window lock and rear child lock, automatic power windows for front and rear, and power mirror adjustment with joystick. Speaker down below, as well as storage. And on the side of the seat, we have our power adjustable seats, as well as our manual recline. Off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our interior lighting dimmer switch, daytime running lights, and four-wheel drive system. We also have our trailer brake, our gauge cluster, radio controls on the right side of the steering wheel, our classic Chevrolet bow tie in the middle, and off to the left we have our cruise control. Steering wheel's wrapped in black leather, our Bose speaker tweeter up above, and our infotainment screen. You can go to the home page and see we have our audio phone as well as projection for our phone and navigation. Below we have our radio controls, climate controls, our trailering mode, traction control, hazards, truck bed lighting, and hill descent assist, heated seat options for driver and passenger below, as well as a USB port, auxiliary input, and 12-volt charging port. Our gear select stalk, 2 cup holders, storage, and our padded leather center console lid. Inside we have a USB port. The front seats are featured in a combination of gray and black leather, with a textured honeycomb fabric pattern in the lower portion. On the rearview mirror we have our OnStar controls. Above that our dome lights and dome light settings, and our sunglass holder. Moving back onto the exterior, we can take a closer look at our black alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps. We also have Colorado on the side in chrome, our paint matched mirror caps, rear privacy tint. You can see in the back we have a full line truck bed, Z71 badging, paint matched bumper and bumper steps, as well as our black Chevrolet emblem, Colorado and V6 badging. Now moving on to the rear interior, we'll take a look at the rear passenger door card, which also features our two-tone black and gray. We have our chrome door handle, window switch, close handle, storage, and speaker. Back of the front seat we have leather magazine holders. And back of the center console we have 2 USB ports, a 12-volt charging port, and storage. The rear seats also feature our two-tone black and gray with our textured fabric honeycomb pattern in the lower portion. And we have our fold-out center seat, which features 2 cup holders. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2017 Chevrolet Colorado. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.